is the good life.
The big fear in the video community is AI editing.
What are your thoughts on that?
What are your thoughts? Because
Well,
I'm
first-
super specific on
First,
this.
I can't even imagine how that would work. So the only way I can imagine is like you tell it to create something and then it'll, and I don't know. I just heard briefly about it because I'm like, I can't even imagine how it would work.
So the information I heard is very similar to how the AI works for photographers, where it automatically goes through and culls your imagery and takes out the blinkers and takes out like the bad footage.
Now you're talking about like the AI taking your footage.
Yeah.
Okay. I was thinking like AI is like just creating something out of nowhere.
So there is AI video creation technology.
Okay.
And right now, from what I've seen, is you can create an AI person, a CGI human being that looks pretty close, but it's still uncanny valley where it's like, ugh, something's wrong.
Yeah.
And then you can type into ChatGPT, get text, copy that, put that into...
And make it do stuff.
And then
like
make
animate
it say stuff.
Okay.
So like you can literally have an About Us video made with like $40 and you're
Holy
done
shit.
with a pretty looking representative for your company that you get to choose. On one of the pages I was looking through, it had like 100 different people with different accents. They're not perfect. Some of them are pretty damn okay.
Wow.
But some of them, it's like, I wanted an Australian girl who was, wearing a clown hat, blah, blah.
Yeah.
And it's like, whoa, come on down. I was like, oh, okay, no, delete.
Okay, but
That's
like,
nightmare fuel.
It's different if you're using AI to go through your footage and examine the bad stuff and whatever.
So
that doesn't
that's
scare
what I'm
me at
thinking
all.
is going to be
Okay.
the obvious next step because there's already photography-based AI, which you use.
I used, but I stopped using because it couldn't recognize who had their eyes open and who had their eyes closed. I'm like, really? Really? This is why I'm paying $159 a year to delete the blinkers and keep... No, it just, I had to go through it again. So I'm like, no, I'm not doing that.
So
for
that's
you
what's going to
guys-
happen with video.